Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to make a video in which I am going to share with you my top 3 recommended face washes which I have been using for my normal to combination skin. So it's a disclaimer, like I have a normal to combination skin, so whatever videos I'll be making and whatever recommendations that I'll be making on different skincare products or even the face washes, anything for the matter, will be most suitable for normal to combination skin types. So today's video is about the top 3 face washes which I have been using for the longest time, and I have been loving these face washes quite a lot, and I wanted to share with you like my experience with them and all the details about it. So please stay tuned to my channel for the entire details of it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I do make videos on beauty, skincare, different hacks and also food videos. So do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button for the notification of all my subsequent uploads. So let's begin with the video. Face wash that I have been using for the longest time is this Cetaphil face wash. Though it is written a Cetaphil cleanser for the oily skin type, clearer for the oily skin type, this suits my skin, like the normal to combination skin, like perfectly. It's a very mild cleanser. It's transparent in color and comes in this kind of a bottle. All of its facial cleansers, like all the variants of its facial cleanser comes in this similar kind of a packaging, and it is extremely mild. It does not foam like a lot. It was initially, I started using it around 2017 when it was suggested by my dermatologist. So since then I have still been using it, and it is like my daily cleanser which I use it at the night time or even when I am at home, but I do feel like it's a bit sticky on my skin. I do use this cleanser because it's not harsh on my skin. It does not foam very much, or it is not very effective for like removing a lot of oil, so it won't suit like an oily skin person. But for me, I have a normal to combination skin, so it suits me nicely. And for the price range of it, for the 125 ml of it, it is priced around 340 and 400 rupees. So you can get it online as well as offline. So it's you can say it's a drugstore face wash which I have been liking quite a lot. So this is my first face wash recommendations for today's video. The second face wash that which I have been liking, and I have already talked about this in some of my videos, is this Peer's face wash. So this is a Peer's pure and gentle face wash which is said as ultra mild, but this is really effective in removing the oil. So in the days when I apply a bit of makeup and then I have to remove it with some cleansing oil or anything for that matter, my face turns out to be a little bit oily, and that time is a time when I need a really nice cleanser which will clean out the oils and all the stickiness in my skin and all the makeup remnants in my skin. So those are the times when I prefer using this Peer's cleanser, and this suits again for my normal to oily skin. And apart from that, I use it every single day in the morning, because morning is a time when I feel after the night CTM routine that I have done and I have applied the moisturizer in my skin, my face turns out to be a little greasier in the morning. So what I do is that the first thing in the morning as a cleanser, I use this face wash, and apart from that I also use it when the days or the times that I have been I have applied certain cleansers for removing my makeups. It foams really well. It is very affordable. For the quantity is 60 gram. This quantity is 60 gram, and again is a drugstore brand. You can get it offline as well. I'll also give you the links of the same in the description box below. So for the 60 gram of this bottle, it is priced at rupees 140 rupees. You can also get it at a 10% discount somewhere offline, online both. And so it's very affordable. It foams really nicely. It cleanses out oil really nice. really well, and has a very mild fragrance, and it suits my skin really well, and I'm sure it's going to suit every normal to combination skin type. And even if you have a little combination which is a little on the oilier side also, it's going to suit you really well. Do try this out. My third and the last face wash of today's list is this one from the brand Mamaearth. So this Mamaearth, this was actually the second product I believe which pertains to the skincare variant, and I started using from the brand Mamaearth. So I have been loving this face wash like quite a lot. So I use it almost like on a regular basis, not like every single day, but yeah, I use it almost on a regular basis at night before doing my CTM routine, like before, as a cleanse. Like I use it as a cleanser at the night. And so for this is not a transparent face wash. This comes in a tube like this. It has this kind of you see this kind of a consistency. And the point which why I don't use it on a daily basis is that it has a little slight granules in it. So it acts as also very mild scrubber when you apply this face wash, and that is the reason why I do not use it on a very on a everyday basis, because you are not supposed to scrub your skin on a daily basis. But the point is that the granules are very fine and it does not create any scratches or does not harm your skin. It foams again, not too much, not very mild also. It foams quite up to the satisfaction. Of course, it is written that the Mamaearth face wash, it is written that it is effective for tan removal. I personally did not feel any effectiveness of this particular face wash on removing tan. But yes, this face wash is really good for a normal to combination skin type. It also has a Ubtan kind of a fragrance, like a little turmeric kind of a fragrance. It is written also Ubtan face wash. And again, for this was a trial size bottle which I got from Smitten. So this is a 25 ml, and for this it is priced at ₹99. I do not exactly know the price of the full size bottle. I'll give you the links of the same in the description box below. You can check it out. So these are all the face washes which I love using, and I have been using for like longest time ever. I rarely do it happens that I change face washes. I do keep revolving around all these 3 face washes only, because I feel they are suiting to my skin. Why do I need to even change it? Because you never know, because my skin behaves normal sometimes, behaves combination type sometimes. So what if the face wash does not suit me? So I rarely do experiment with face washes, but these are the 3 which also was supposed to be an experimentation, but turned out to be really effective for my skin, which is normal to combination skin type. So I'm sure it's gonna suit majority of you who have a normal to combination skin type. But yes, of course, do a patch test for every single product that you try on your skin before actually using it. So yeah, that's all about my today's video. Hope you like my recommendation and hope it was useful for you. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon next to the subscribe button for such videos on a regular basis. So bye bye, take care, stay tuned to my next upload.